Yes.
God is with us ever and ever.
Nice and loud.
We are not alone. Are not alone. God is with us.
We. Push the we this time.
Not alone.
Hi, I'm Therese Walth. I am the choir director here at Hill Murray. We offer 3 choirs, 2 that meet during the day. We have our high school choir, and then we have a middle school choir that meet as classes. We also have Pioneer Performers, which is an auditioned group that meets occasionally after school and will perform at our concerts as well. We do 4 concerts a year. We also like to try and do some touring and some special events when we can. Sometimes we sing at masses, and so that's another thing that we like to do here. It's a great, great program. We hope that you are interested and that you come to Hill Murray. Thanks so much.